back to my latest video. Thank you for clicking on it.
What we're doing is the dog, whatever the dog touches, we have to buy in the pet store. So get started. All right, Banks, let's go. We're going down let's go down to the toy aisle.
No, let's just follow Millie. Just follow Millie. But Banks, we can't buy any of like the odd, weird, like cat litter stuff.
Yeah. We're not buying any weird stuff. We're just gonna buy doggy normal stuff. Like not that.
Like not.
All right, Millie, we can go down here, Banks. We're not going down there. All right, Millie wants to go down there, Banks. Okay, we're gonna go down. Banks, let her pick where she wants to go. Oh, Millie, the picture. Millie, no picture. I want to go down. We're gonna take her down to the toy aisle.
You want a new bed? Oh shoot.
Where's the shopping cart?
No Banks.
I know.
Oh no,
need a new
Millie, we
shopping
can't.
cart.
No, we can't get. Banks, we can't get any
Find our
food.
shopping cart. We're not starting yet. We need to find our shopping cart.
Yeah. So we are just walking around trying to find the shopping cart.
Oh, there they are.
Here they are. Millie.
We're gonna go down the toy aisle.
Okay.
Come on, Millie. Let's go
Wait,
down the toy
Kate, come here and get a picture.
Oh.
Yeah, hold this. Stop the video.
Okay,
Okay, here, come stand out here.
We got a bunch of stuff at PetSmart.
aisle. Ollie, just turn it over. Okay, we gotta show how much.
Two big giant bags of stuff. They're really big. We got her a banana and a bunch of
So much
stuff.
stuff in there.
Um,
We didn't get any of the big
we
food.
got it at PetSmart.
And we have a giant
And she,
forklift coming out.
yeah,
And stuff.
we have a giant igloo that they had to carry out because it was too heavy.
Yeah.
So
So our challenge is over.
our challenge is over.
Subscribe and do a like. We're going
Down
for
below,
10. We're going
down
for
below.
10
We're
likes.
going for 10 likes. All right,
And
thank you.
50 views.